Get ready with me as I tell you facts about myself. So, I am Aline Francesca Mateo, 16 years old, currently in grade 12 in Rizal National High School, and I am the eldest daughter of Rosalie and Alan Mateo. And I have a sister named Altera Rain Mateo who's in grade 9 in Rizal National High School. So, there's this question that has been bugging my mind since I don't know, like last week. And ito yung ano ba ang layunin ko sa buhay or ang purpose ko sa buhay. So, ang bawat tao ay may kanya-kanyang purpose sa buhay o layunin sa buhay. And kung hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung sayo, it's okay because you have so much time to figure it out. And as for me, I think ang layunin ko sa buhay ay i-figure out kung ano ba talaga ang tunay na dinidesire ng aking puso or yung gusto kong maging marating sa buhay habang ginagawa ko yung mga responsibilidad ko as a student, as a anak, as a sister, and as a responsible member of society. So, yeah.